Strategy I decided to use was the raft writing strategy. The reason I chose this is because I think it fits pretty well into the math lens. There isn't a lot of my writing in the math lens, and a lot of it kind of requires persuasive writing, and that requires you to know your role, your audience, and how you're going to display that. So I'll kind of go through what each letter of the acronyms is. So R is the role of the writer. So um, what are you doing within the math lens? A lot of what we do, you are someone trying to explain a problem to someone who's never seen this before, and walk them step by step. Or we also do this in error analysis where we make students use their vocabulary, as well as their metacognition, to really explain where the error is. So a lot of different roles. The audience, a lot of it is to their classmates, or to others within the room, who might not know how to do something, and really, like I said, breaking down that key vocabulary. The format is, how are you going to write it? I also think this fits well into math because there are a lot of visuals in math, and even within their writing, they will be showing some stuff visually. So the format might be a graphic organizer, it might be a chart, it might be a graph, it could be any of those things. Once again, that's why I think it fits pretty well into the math lens. And then topic is going to be whatever we are studying. So how you create it, you walk them through the RAFT, the thing that we just talked about, so that we consider really, once again, that audience um, and what your role is going to be within that. So you're going to display that writing prompt, or it could be a problem prompt, so that students can kind of work their way through that and really think about that before they actually start writing. So have students react to another prompt individually. So once again, this is like in that small groups where they're looking at everyone's explanations from the previous group, to really see how other people are thinking about it, how they're thinking about it, and how they are deciding to present that information to them. Um, and then as you become more comfortable, you can create more than one prompt. Um, like I said, kind of with all strategies, we need to put in some variation and change them to fit the content area. I also think the RAF strategy could be used across social studies, especially persuasive writing, and the different things within social studies. I kind of cue back to like government courses when they're working on case studies and they're having to argue a certain way. Right, the role of the writer within that would be kind of like a lawyer or someone arguing that. Also could be used in ELA classes, science classes. I think it's really versatile and could be used in a lot of different areas. Once again, I choose to focus on math, and I think it fits the best, with the math. So overall, raft writing strategy, I think, is one of the most applicable if you are a math teacher, because there generally isn't a lot of writing within math. It fits kind of those different pieces, though, with the visuals and who you're writing to and why you're writing that. So the raft strategy.